In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom expense category in ProjectionLab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a personalized expense, set its amount and timing, and tag it so your plan reacts intelligently to market ups and downs. First, open your plan and head to the Plan tab. This is where ProjectionLab organizes your core assumptions and cash flow. Inside your main financial dashboard, look for the Expenses section. That's your hub for ongoing costs, one-off purchases, and anything else you want to model. Click Add Expense or use the plus button to start a new custom item. You're creating a standalone expense category that you can tweak without affecting the defaults. Begin by giving the expense a clear, recognizable name. Use something you'll understand at a glance later, like annual vacation, home maintenance, or hobbies. Consistent naming makes it much easier to search, compare, and keep your categories organized as your plan grows. Next, set the amount. Choose whether this cost is a one-time lump sum, a monthly expense, or an annual figure. Pick the option that best matches how you actually spend. If the cost will evolve, use the built-in controls to change the amount over time. You can also include inflation adjustments so the expense keeps pace with rising prices. For example, a yearly insurance premium might increase by a fixed percentage, while a hobby could escalate more slowly. When in doubt, start simple and refine later. ProjectionLab is designed for iterative planning. Now define the timing. Set a start date, and if needed, an end date for the expense. This is great for limited projects or expenses that phase out. Alternatively, link the expense to a milestone you can edit, such as retirement or buy a new car. Tying expenses to milestones lets your plan adapt automatically when those life events shift, keeping your projections accurate without manual edits across multiple places. Finally, customize the expense tagging. Classify it as essential or discretionary. Essentials cover things you truly need to fund. Discretionary items are nice-to-haves. This matters for flex spending rules, which can automatically dial back non-essential spending if your portfolio underperforms. Tagging correctly helps your plan respond gracefully to tough markets while protecting the expenses that matter most. That's all it takes to create a custom expense category in ProjectionLab. Use clear names, realistic amounts, thoughtful timing, and accurate tags, and your plan will be both flexible and reliable as your life evolves.